We were invited by a Afghanistan house. They have a graduated celebration today, and they're gonna cook. They're gonna make the real Afghanistan traditional food. Ooh, perfect. This year, okay. Hey, you talk too much, man. Shut up, okay? Yo, babe. And what day is today?
It's Friday.
Okay, Friday afternoon. And where we're gonna go? Hey. Where we are heading on?
Oh, babe.
Hey. Yo.
Hey, these are the dudes. So we're gonna.
One more dude here. We were invited by a Afghanistan house. They have a graduated celebration today, and they're gonna cook. They're gonna make the real Afghanistan traditional food, and we're gonna film in there. And I'm gonna share you everything in here.
Do you think it's gonna be fun?
I don't know.
I mean, have you ever tasted any Afghani food before?
No.
Really?
Yes. This way.
What does it mean? Nice to meet you.
From Afghanistan.
Okay.
Barakatullah Azizi. Let me show
Okay.
my face.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So, what we gonna cook today?
Inshallah, we're going to cook Kabuli pulao.
Okay.
But we need something. I think that is not accessible for me. I could cook like that.
Okay. So, but we're gonna try the real traditional Afghanistan food.
Yeah.
Anas. Yes. It's nice to meet you.
Hey, what's up?
Hello. Yes.
Hey, I'm good.
Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah, I'm gonna film it and share it to Thai. What's the Afghanistan food?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So today we just want to prepare a kabuli and maybe we have a korma.
And who's chef?
Sorry?
Who is chef?
Yeah, he is the chef.
You. Oh,
I'm the helper.
assistant.
I'm the
helper.
assistant. Yeah.
Yeah, because we
Time's
have
today,
the
so-
limitation of the time. We should prepare it before 7 or up to 7:30.
Okay. Okay. How many guys today?
It's around 15, I think.
15,
Yeah.
including us.
Just 2 person is outside.
Okay.
Yeah, so prepare for 17
Sure.
guys.
Can't wait.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So we'll come back.
Yeah. Thanks, man.
Need help, bro?
Hey, every time you are taking video.
Welcome back.
Assalamu alaikum.
So why you gotta take off the skin?
Because my friends don't like this, you know.
Okay. Not healthy, unhealthy, right?
It's unhealthy, yeah. We mostly don't eat this.
But some people love skin.
Yeah, mostly. That's good. What are we doing there?
Yeah.
That's it.
What is this? Okay.
This carrot.
Put in the plastic.
Plastic.
We need
That's
carrot.
plastic.
Okay. And what is inside?
Inside of this is rice.
Rice?
Yeah,
Just
Indian
normal
rice.
rice. Indian rice.
Yeah.
Yasin,
Yeah.
I just learned one word of Thai. Jumpom tea.
Huh?
Jumpom tea.
Chupom tea.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Anas. You need to help.
Jumpom tea.
You need to help, bro.
Pam kakon?
ผมรักคุณ
Yeah, pam rakun. Pam rakun.
Yeah. You married, man?
Yeah.
You married? Well, so both of you already married. Okay, so in here, just only Varis and we not married.
Anas.
Anas already married. And one daughter. One son, two wives.
One wife.
Yeah.
I have one wife,
Yeah.
two children, one daughter, one son.
Ah, one daughter.
One daughter and one son.
Oh, sweet. And you miss them a lot, right?
Yeah. I think. What is? Fried chicken. After that with onions. Short taxiko,
Perak simple, perak simple. Brang simple.
Brang simple.
Brang simple.
Brang simple.
Brang simple.
Brang simple.
Brang simple.
Each other.
Yeah, yeah. Try. Brang simple.
Brang Singpo.
Brang
What does it
simple.
mean? Just tell me.
I don't know. What is that? Tomato.
Oh, tomato.
Yeah,
In which language?
Persian language.
Persian?
Yeah, your language.
No.
I heard this guys told you. Really? Oh, hey,
I thought that you are following me,
I
but
thought-
actually
I fall. Okay. Oh my God. I thought like he tried to make me right. Prank simple, but then he followed me as well.
I thought this is the Russian language
No.
or any other language.
Can you do faster, please?
Talash.
Alama?
Diga çıkar kuna.
Boże, Yes.
Thai sang any program.
I did not yet. So this is my next challenge.
Wow.
I just said,
Kishmis. Kishmis. If kiss me, kiss myself.
now I'm working on
You need kiss shit.
Yeah, you are working for it.
Our pot is very small, we cannot.
Okay.
Therefore, I don't want to put chicken inside that.
Okay.
Without chicken, want to cook only rice.
Okay. Because we have small
We will
pot.
say not soft. We're going to use carrots and also kishmish.
Kishmish.
And it's too much. Yes, so I want to put some pile here.
Oh, you add onions in.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. How do you know? Oh, yeah, gonna be sure. So guys, we gonna pray here for Maghrib because we are Muslim and it's time to pray to God. I'm gonna close my camera for a while. It's my time to go pray with them. See you soon after 5 minutes.
So leave it about 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Cover.
After that,
I wanna hear your case.
How he find this place? How he find? Why he didn't ask? Why he didn't call? Where should I come?
Good question.
We have a small.
Now he's fighting
He
each
just
other.
see that.
The host is gonna say that you are invited for dinner.
Okay, you finally put rice in there.
yeah.
So you make 2 pots, right?
Yeah, it will become dry.
So first pot here, second pot. So everything's here. Chicken.
Yeah. Okay, it's over for this pot.
Okay.
And at the end, I want to.
The special, adding special spice, right?
Yeah, this is zira.
Zira. Oh, it's aroma, but I never familiar with that. Ooh, is that so quick, bro?
Yeah.
Wait, bro, it's so quick.
Enough for this. Here is some water. You see?
Yeah. What for? Why you have to do
drying.
this? Drying.
Yeah.
So it's going to be ready more faster.
Yeah.
So he prepared tomato, but he can't put in there because not enough space, right? And what are you doing?
Making salad.
This one is salad.
Salad, yeah.
Okay. Guys, now I can't wait to have that. Really amazing, tasty. I never have this menu before in my life, never.
Yeah, this is Kabuli.
Kabuli.
Pulao.
Kabuli pulao.
Yeah, it's very famous in Afghanistan.
Oh wow,
Yes.
the real traditional Afghanistan
yes,
food.
Afghanistan traditional food.
Okay.
And nowadays it's famous in some of the region countries.
Okay.
In India, Pakistan.
Can you cook?
We?
Yeah.
I can cook. Yes, I can cook. But this was the specialty.
Okay, so the best
Yeah,
chef.
this was the best cooker. This one, Barakatullah Azizi and also Abdullah.
Okay.
Is also.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sawadee, bhai.
Sabadi.
How are you? Fine?
Good, yeah, so good.
Okay.
Assalamualaikum. Yeah, أهلا وسهلا, شكرا. Yeah. Guys, I never tried this thing before in my whole life. It looks so amazing.
Kabuli. Nah, that's it, Kabuli.
Wow.
This
Wow.
is Kabuli.
It look weird, but wow, it tastes good. It's really fresh.
Exactly, yeah.
It's so fresh, bro.
Exactly, so fresh, so
Wow.
tasty.
Cucumber, mint, lemon, and yogurt. Yogurt.
Yogurt, yes.
Chicken, rice, and carrot here. Wow, I can smell of rising, really sweet of it. And the chicken, oh my god! I just took up the chicken and then the texture of the pillow, automatic. It's really soft, really juicy, so juicy. Wow,
Very tasty,
really
yeah?
juicy. Salad. Wow, the sweet is from rice and not sugar, and I love it so much. And the rice a little oily here, but it's really perfect. I love especially the chicken, really soft. Like the chicken, the texture of out of bone, like automatic fallen just now when I took this bone. And I feel like it's really soft. It melts in my mouth. Perfect. Okay, thank you so much, man. See you next time.
See you next time.
Yo, guys, and we finally walking back to our room. We spent like 4 hours here. Start from cooking food, and we all done. Oh my God, the taste incredibly good. It's my first time eating Afghanistan food, and not just eating food, but spend my time with Afghanistan house. And again, first time from pulao, and that yogurt. Namagapo yogurt? Dup. Oh my God, it's really healthy food, and I love it so much. What you're actually feeling experience from this food?
Okay, before the food, you know, they are very kind, very nice.
Yeah,
They are
really gracious and friendliness.
This is my second time. Actually, I had it before I came here. That's why I suggest to Yasin. And then I asked them that, just invite my friend to come here. So it's very good time for Yasin as well. That we can really experience with the local food from Afghanistan.
Yeah, and you love the food, right?
Yeah.
We
very good บอกอาหารนี่นะแบบอยากกินทุกวันเลยแบบอร่อยมากหารสชาติที่ไหนไม่ได้เลย
Again, guys, I really happy today. Today is my gift. Oh my God, and I ate a lot, yeah. And I bet you're gonna try yourself from anywhere, restaurant or whatever, and you're gonna love it like me. Thank you so much. Love you. Love y'all.